Today is our travel day. Already? I feel excited and nervous.
That is normal, buddy. Big trips feel big inside.
Are we really going to America today?
Yes, my love. We fly to New York.
The airport will be huge, right?
Very huge. But we stay together.
Did you pack your small backpack? Yes. I packed my book and headphones.
Passport check. Everyone show me your passport.
Here is mine. I kept it safe.
Good job. That is very responsible.
I do not want to lose it.
We will check everything again at the airport.
What if we are late?
We left early. We have enough time.
Okay. That makes me feel better. The airport is so big and bright.
Stay close to us, sweetheart.
I will hold your hand, Mom.
Good choice. Crowded places need calm walking.
Where is the check-in counter?
Let us read the big screen together.
Flight 405. Counters 20 to 25.
I see them. Let us go there.
Hello, may I see your passports and tickets?
Yes, here they are.
Are you traveling for business or holiday?
Holiday. It is my first trip to America.
That is wonderful. You will love New York. We have one checked bag today. Please place it on the scale.
Wait.
Is the weight okay? Perfect. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is 22. Boarding starts soon.
Gate 22. I will remember that. I feel a little scared again.
What makes you scared, Lucy?
I have never flown so far before.
Thank you for telling us your feeling.
Long flights can feel strange at first.
What if I feel sick? We can ask the crew for help.
You can also rest and drink water.
Okay. I will try to be brave.
You are already brave.
Can we get a warm drink?
Good idea. We still have time.
Flight 405 to New York will begin boarding.
It is time. My heart is fast.
Take a deep breath with me. In
And out. Slow and calm.
I feel better now.
May I see your boarding passes?
Here you go.
Seat 14A and 14B. Welcome aboard.
The plane is so big inside.
Yes. Find our seats together.
Is this my seat by the window?
Yes. You can see the clouds later.
I am excited again.
Feelings can change. That is normal.
Mom, I am glad we are together.
We are always together, my love.
Buckle your seatbelt, Lucy.
It clicks. I am ready.
The crew will explain safety rules now.
I will listen carefully. My hands feel a little shake.
Hold my hand if you need comfort. The engines will sound loud for takeoff.
Okay. I will cover my ears gently.
Look forward and breathe slowly.
We are going faster.
And now we are flying.
Wow. The ground looks so small.
You are doing great, Lucy.
The clouds look soft and white.
They'll look like giant pillows.
I love flying now.
I am proud of you.
I feel calm and happy.
Would anyone like food or drinks?
Yes, please. 1 juice and 1 water.
Can I have apple juice, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Eat slowly and relax.
Dad, how long is this flight?
It is about 8 hours.
That sounds very long.
We will watch a movie and rest.
Can we watch something funny?
Yes. Laughter makes time move faster.
I am glad we planned this trip.
We worked hard and saved money.
Thank you for taking me.
Seeing you happy is our gift.
I feel sleepy now.
You can lean on me, sweetheart. Ladies and gentlemen, we are descending into New York.
Are we really here already?
Yes! Time passed quickly.
I see buildings and tiny cars.
That is the city from above.
It looks beautiful and busy.
Fasten your seatbelt again.
Ah, it is fastened.
Landing can feel bumpy.
I am ready. I am not scared. Welcome to America, sweetheart.
Welcome to America, Lucy.
I cannot believe it.
You did very well today.
Thank you for helping me feel safe.
You told us your feelings. That was smart.
I feel proud of myself.
That feeling is important. What do we do now?
We follow signs to baggage claim.
I hope our suitcase arrives safely.
It usually does. Stay close to us.
There are so many people here.
Big cities are busy and loud.
I hear many different languages.
That That is part of travel magic.
I see our suitcase.
Great eyes, Lucy.
I am happy it arrived. I learned something today.
What did you learn, sweetie?
When I feel scared, I should say it.
That is a wonderful lesson.
And we will always listen.
Thank you for traveling with me.
Always, Lucy.
If you enjoyed our journey, share it with friends.
Tell us, where do you want to travel?
See you on our next adventure.